I hope you guys aren't tired of me yet. I have some more insight I want to share with you from my class on remote viewing taught by Dr. Morehouse. For a lot of people, the idea that what you focus on matters is really hard to understand. And I get it because I struggled with it too. That goes along with law of attraction, manifestation, all the stuff. I also know that sometimes it helps to have a physical description of why it matters what you pay attention to. So I have that for you here from this book, and it describes it in quantum physics terms. This is scientific stuff that has been tested and proven. I'm going to show it to you. Before I do that, though, I want to share this quote with you from the book because this quote really impacted me, and it has to do with your beliefs. So he's talking about Max Planck here. This is a scientist who invented some really cool stuff. I'm not going to get into it. You can look him up. But he says, Planck reveals the unfortunate in human nature. So many of us are so conditioned as to what we believe that we would rather die believing in something than have the courage to explore and know that we really know very little. I sort of messed up the end, but you get the idea. I don't want to die for a belief just because I'm afraid to explore something new. Do you? No, the answer is no. All right, so this is, like I said, why what you pay attention to and why you focus on matters. So this is from the book. We are on page 63 of the book, and he's talking about energy here. And he says, everything is energy, right? And when you have two waves of energy that are alike, like this, so these are two good feeling waves. You are watching someone celebrate their birthday, and you are feeling good about it, and you are clapping. When two like waves come together, they amplify and actually double in size. So if you are focusing on something that feels good or something that feels bad, if you're watching the news and it's showing you how, everything's going wrong, and then your mood starts to match that, that's going to amplify that feeling. So it works both ways, positive and negative. But like waves, when they match up, they amplify. This wave is the possibility. When you focus on this wave, that's when it becomes a particle and begins to manifest. However, if you have two waves of energy that are differing, so let's say someone is talking some crap about your friend and they're saying all these negative things, but you're choosing to focus on the positive and not really feeding that energy, these two opposite waves will cancel each other out. That way, you're not bringing more of that negativity towards you. Instead, you are canceling it out. And that's why when you focus on the news and you let that feeling of anxiety and all that stuff kind of get all twisted up inside of you, you are amplifying that feeling. Even if you don't mean to, you are. Where you focus absolutely matters. Amplify the feeling you want to have, not the feeling that's just happening around you. This is how you start to manifest your universe in front of you. And it's not about someone else can't see the things happening in your world. It's about they're so focused on the negativity in theirs, they can't see the positivity in yours. But that's not your problem. Because just like the book says, their negativity meets your positivity and it neutralizes it. And that's why sometimes they can't see what's going on for you. Oh my God, I love science. So I just wanted to see if this would help you understand better why what you focus on absolutely, without a doubt, matters.